from her. Hindi lang doktor, hindi lang from the UK, but of course, from Dubai with love. Let's see what Miss Dea has to say.
Hello! Hi! First of all, thank you sa lahat ng nagtiwala sa akin, especially Team Amazing, Ate Normina, ikaw yan, you're the best. Sobrang thank you sa support na binibigay sa akin ng Team Fast and Furious. Sobrang thankful sa lahat ng support na binibigay niyo sa akin. You never fail to make me smile. You never fail to, kahit malayo ako, you know, I'm always here to support you. Ay, tumakbo ko, sorry, teka lang. Ayun, okay naman, sobrang thankful po. Siyempre po sa Heavenly Father, I'm so thankful and blessed for this opportunity given to me. At siyempre, sa lahat ng mga new members, this will be you soon. You will be one of us. Because if you are in, we are one. Yes, thank you po. Sobrang thank you. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin. AU family, you're the best. Wala akong masasabi. Sobrang thank you po sa lahat ng leaders, sila Upline Gerald, sila Upline Mike, sila Upline Aaron. Alam niyo po yan kasi po kahit malayo ako, sinusuportahan niyo po lagi. So, more money, more people. Yun na yun. Chika na. Okay. Papa na. Salamat po. Sobrang thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Yan.
Actually po, hindi lang 5,000 yung nakuha niya. She get 6,200. Why? How many leaders yung nag-exit po sa downline niya? So meron po siyang leadership bonus. So 6,200.
Yun o.
Wow! Okay. Ibilangan kita ngayon. 1 2. Sabayan niyo kaya ako? Nanood lang kayo?
Okay.
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 Ilan yan?
3
4
4 5
6 200.
200. Alright.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Congrats.
Okay. Sige, pero maka na ba?
Okay.
Pero maka na.
So, as you can see, nakita natin yung effect nung ating leadership bonus. So it doesn't just stop sa earning nyo with every cycle, but it gets more with the leadership bonus.